Hello everybody, for several months now I am using this Ulanzi tripod rig, which is very useful because here you can easily mount any size phone, and then you can attach this LED dimmable lights here, and in the middle you can mount easily the shotgun mic. So this is basically a perfect vlogging tool for anybody who is shooting the videos on their smartphone. However, now I added one more thing, and that is dimmable LED ring, so you will see it in a moment. Before going to the LED ring, I want to show you quickly this tripod, which is very practical because it is small, as you can see, and this can hold this LED ring, or you can mount it even to this selfie stick. So let's see now the LED ring. So as you can see, it is perfect size for some small studio, and you can take it easily with you if you want outside. And what is good, I like this, that it doesn't come with its own battery. So basically you can plug it in on your power bank, which can be very powerful, and you can basically have long usage of this LED ring. So let's try it now how it works. Next time I should be really careful with this knife because I cut down this tripod here. As you can see, it is destroyed now. But luckily I can use it by just plugging it in on the tripod. So here you can put this selfie stick on the tripod, and then you can extend this, I think, up to 2 meters, and then here you can put your LED ring. Another cool thing with this LED light is that you can move it around 360 degrees, and you can basically put it in any direction. If you unscrew this one, you can put it down or up, or basically any angle you want to shoot, it can be set up. So with it you will get this small controller. On this one you will turn it on, and you can see it is really powerful. If you want to reduce, this one is dimmable, so you can reduce it easily here. And you can see this is the lowest. So if I go again to the highest. Another thing you can change in the middle is the color of the light. So if I press this one now, you can see it will become a bit yellowish, and one more time it will become between yellow and the white, and last time it is this full light, so which is around 5000 kelvins, and this one is around 3200, this one around 4000. So let's see now how it performs in reality when you want to shoot some videos. Another usage of this LED light is that if you want to record something in bad light conditions, so even now is a daylight, the light conditions in this particular area of the room is not good. So let's see how it will be that I'm recording this airplane when I turn on the light. So this is the LED light. And plus now I will add these two from here, and you will see how it will change. So as you can see here, as I am moving this, the light conditions are way much better, and you can play to find the best angle. But for example, comparing this with this one is a huge difference. Let's see again when we are shooting something with this LED how much the light will improve. And again, when you switch the color temperature, so here it will change dramatically. But as you can see, slowly the camera adjusts to this color, and now it is this warm, nice, natural color of the sun. So this one is a bit brighter towards the blue, but you can see camera again adjust. And this one, the last one, is the bluish available, the strongest color. And again you can see camera slowly adapts to this. And now without this light, you can see again huge difference. So let's say you are recording some vlog, and as you can see now I'm faced directly to the sun, so this is daily light and the light conditions are still good. So now if I turn on the LED, you will not notice that much change because the light is already good and bright. However, if we try it during the night conditions, we will see a huge difference, and I will show you that right now. And let's see now the difference. So if I turn it on now, as you can see now it's a bit too bright, but I want just to show you these different colors. So this one now is this yellowish, and you can see it's really bad. And this like pure white, and this one is a bit towards blue one. So if it is a bit too strong, then you can reduce the size, and so your face is not too much bright. Of course, this it will be better if you have two, so I'm using now only the LED ring. However, if I now turn on these two, let's see how it will look like. So just again you need to play with the best position of your light. So you see now from the right side it's too strong, so I will dim these lights a bit. So you need to play a lot with this to get some perfect combination. As you can see here now, what is stronger, what side is more, what side is less. I'm not an expert in lighting, but you can see a lot of videos about that. But overall I think these products are really great, and you can check the Ulanzi store in the links below in this video. And that will be all in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.